and welcome. I'm Sarah, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson, Heat Illness Prevention. Before we continue, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing some environmental factors that can contribute to heat illness, symptoms from minor to major, as well as preventative measures you can take when faced with high heat. Please pay attention and focus on what you can do to prevent heat illnesses from happening to you or those who work around you. A healthy body temperature is maintained by the central nervous system. As the body temperature increases, the body tries to maintain its normal temperature by transferring heat. Through sweating and blood flow to the skin, our bodies cool down. A heat-related illness occurs when our bodies can no longer transfer enough heat to keep us cool. 4 environmental factors that affect the amount of stress a worker faces in a hot work area are temperature, meaning the degree or intensity of heat, humidity, or the amount of water vapor in the air, radiant heat, such as from the sun or a furnace, and air velocity, which is air moving in any given direction. Other factors that can increase the possibility of heat-related illness are personal characteristics, age, weight, fitness, a medical condition, or acclimation to heat. There are many ways the body can disperse or dispose of excess heat. When the body cannot dispose of excess heat, it will store it. Heat-related illnesses produce a high body temperature, which raises the body's core temperature and causes the heart rate.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.